RISTANC is a very dear project to me because we are working with our local partners and with some of our international partners on a topic that is very important but rarely put into center stage, which is our sea. And we're working with very committed people to make a change in the governance of our sea here, but also in the governance of the European seas towards the EU mission ocean. Because we are trying to have this project generate results that would reduce dependency on next projects, and we're trying to build a system of resilient decision-making for the sea.
The project matters because it will build a sustainable and long-lasting partnership between local community, local administration, and scientific and artistic sphere of our society.
At PINA, we bridge the gap between science and practice. We believe that marine challenges also require innovative perspectives, such as perceiving environment through a combination of scientific tangible data, artistic innovation, and civic engagement. What makes this project different is that we go beyond reflection. We will implement a micro-granting scheme specifically for small-scale experimental initiatives, such as underrepresented groups, early career researchers, local communities, artists, NGOs, and we will give them the resources, support them in order for them to conclude the project with tangible outcomes.
In the RISTANC project, PINA is working as an expert of participatory processes, and we coordinate the local engagement group. The aim of the local engagement group is to give the word to the local population and to the expert to define and detect the main challenges in our Slovenian sea.
We together are working at the RISTANC project because we are trying to see how we deal with the big challenges that the sea is facing these days. But these challenges cannot be only solved under the water. We really need to bring together different researchers, practitioners, decision makers, communities.
And for us, that's what RISTANC is about. It's about creating that collaborative space to bring these different voices and knowledges together to find new ways of addressing the challenges that we face.
And what we are going to be doing here at the SRC is looking at the transdisciplinary research and education that we have been doing for many years and see how can we adapt this to different contexts so it can be of use in many different situations and contexts. And for that, we want to look at what are the skills and the competences that are needed for doing transdisciplinary research and to find ways to transmit that to the new generations.
So through RISTANC, we're going to be finding new ways for collaboration, finding new solutions, and moving towards a more sustainable and resilient future for our seas.
Water shapes our lives. It doesn't recognize borders and it connects all of our futures. At the University of Nova Gorica, RISTANC means taking responsibility for that shared future. We are rethinking how we teach and research sustainability in the Northern Adriatic. Our goal is not just to understand problems, but to help people listen, collaborate, and build solutions together. Through RISTANC, we are redesigning master's and PhD programs and developing a micro-credential that links research to real-world challenges.
In Europe, about 20% of people live in a narrow band about 10 kilometers wide from the sea. It's common knowledge that coastal areas tend to be the most intensive of any region in the world, and also one that faces many sustainability challenges. What I find particularly interesting in RISTANC is that it provides us an opportunity to look at the region of the North Adriatic, including its sustainability and unsustainability challenges on the long run. From our own perspective, the contribution will be through sustainability science, working with universities in the region and taking a look at graduate programs with sustainability perspectives at the core, and thinking about how they could be advanced further to address the existing and emerging challenges of this part of the Mediterranean.
For me, RISTANC is about closing the distance between people and the sea. Every day we see how the ocean matters. But caring about the ocean is not enough if people making decisions about it don't feel connected. That's the gap that RISTANC wants to close. The sea today is facing many challenges, like pollution, climate change, and biodiversity loss. But not all challenges are only scientific. Some of them are about governance, awareness, and who has a seat at the table.
Za mestno občino Koper RISTANC predstavlja nov način delovanja. Tak, ki povezuje znanje, ljudi in resnične izzive našega obalnega okolja. Kot lokalna skupnost smo neposredno odgovorni za upravljanje obale in se vsakodnevno soočamo z izzivi, kot so onesnaževanje, podnebne spremembe, pritisk turizma in varstvo biotske raznovrstnosti. To nam daje edinstven vpogled v to, kaj v praksi deluje, kaj ne in kaj je potrebno za učinkovite rešitve. S projektom RISTANC to praktično znanje prinašamo v širše transdisciplinarno sodelovanje. Tesno sodelujemo z raziskovalci, lokalnimi skupnostmi in gospodarstvom in odločevalci pri soustvarjanju in preizkušanju rešitev, ki izhajajo iz našega lokalnega okolja, a imajo širši pomen. Za nas RISTANC pomeni krepitev povezav med znanostjo, upravljanjem in družbo. Gre za opolnomočenje deležnikov, izboljšanje odločanja in ustvarjanje dolgoročnih učinkov. Navsezadnje je projekt pomemben, ker podpira naš skupni cilj – varovati in obnavljati morsko in obalno okolje ter graditi trajnostno in odporno prihodnost za Koper in širšo jadransko regijo.
For the municipality of Ankaran, as one of the coastal municipalities, adapting to climate change is one of the more significant challenges that is already facing and will even more so in the future. Our goals in this area are clear. We aim to preserve the natural environment, the marine coast and the marine ecosystem, while also ensuring safety and high quality of life of our citizens. With our contribution, we aim to enable a shift from theoretical guidelines to practical implementation.
For the municipality of Izola, RISTANC represents a unique opportunity to rethink how we care for our sea and coastline. This is why participating in RISTANC is not only a responsibility, but a natural step forward in shaping a healthier and more resilient future for our citizens. By working through a macro-regional lens, we can better protect ecosystems, reduce pollution, and ensure that our coastal development remains sustainable and future-proof.
When we think about the global challenges facing our seas, a project like RISTANC may seem just like a small drop in the ocean, but we know that sometimes a single drop is enough to start a wave of change. For the municipality of Pirano, RISTANC is a wonderful opportunity to bring people together, local authorities, scientists, artists, the civil societies, and all to build a truly transdisciplinary collaboration focused on the Northern Adriatic. What makes this project so special is exactly this. People from different backgrounds who have different knowledges, different perspectives are all coming together because they truly care about the future of the sea. Those who live by the sea know how precious it is, and we also know the many challenges it is facing, from climate change to pollution, from the loss of biodiversity to the spread of invasive species. For instance, we want to respond to these and other challenges by sharing knowledge, building a community and encouraging small but meaningful actions. Because we know that the responsibility of the protection of the sea is not just of the institutions or the scientists, it is something that concerns really all of us. So you're kindly invited to follow our journey, and if you truly care about the future of the sea, join us and be part of the change.